about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
So guys, I just left my phone in the Uber, and luckily he was so sweet that he stayed downstairs where he dropped me off. Y'all know any other Uber would have drove off. I wouldn't have had my phone for 5 days. But look who's here! Gang, 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 gang! They all got on the matching like shirts. I thought they was gonna be wearing the whole suits. They talking about something. They the hood ranger.
Hood ranger.
Ranger danger.
Ranger danger.
Do right.
So I need to put on mine.
Absolutely.
And then yeah, it's lit. It's lit. Y'all talk to Diana. So guys, I guess this is gonna be my Halloween costume. I'm about to change because I'm running late and stuff. I wonder if I got some tights. It's cold. Y'all, I got a lot going on right now, but I am getting ready to go. I have to do my makeup, and then that's the last thing. Yeah.
Hey.
Wait, what are you? Okay. They said you was gonna be dressed, so I had the camera out thinking you gonna be dressed and shit. You ain't even ready. Oh, turn around. Hey.
I know there gotta be.
Hey y'all, guess who else is coming? My BFF.
What the hell did this shit look like then?
It's a bodysuit.
Oh shit, I'm calling the wrong person.
What one did Jake fighting with Injustice?
Hey, downstairs on the keypad, do you see the keypad? Alright guys, I'm basically ready to turn up for Halloween. Look who's my date. Jane. Look, we're firefighters. We're firefighters. Hey, it's day.
It seems like I'm probably the real fighter and you're my cheerleader.
I'm a girl firefighter. Yes. Alright guys, it's almost Halloween.
Anything's possible.
Anything. Cheers to a great night. Okay.
Alright. Zoo Gang. Ranger danger.
That was like a triple shot.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that. I'm still learning.
Hey Google, music on.
Show that shit for you.
Music on.
Nah.
Music.
Not me.
Nah, okay.
What song y'all want to hear? What song I want to hear?
What's my turn? Wet.
Ooh, what's that song?
Oh, that's
So shit changed quick too. Hey.
The streets raised me.
I'm a whole bastard.
Danger. Ranger danger. Ranger danger. Ranger danger. Hey.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. In my bank account. In my bank account. Shoot, ready to gun you down. Ready to gun you down. How you do it? How you do it? How? What's this hand thing? What's this hand thing?
Oh. Hey. Some Walker sound shit.
Where you saw that?
Hey. Up now.
But why did they have to have you?
You gotta see who acting now. It's not just who acting though they on FaceTime.
Y'all, I didn't know this. You have to press it up to see the peephole. I swear, we just have a
empty, take off the jacket. I said, man's not hot. Man's not ketchup.
Give these two. They
Just
know.
sauce. Just sauce. Yo, boom. The thing goes. Give the boom boom. Skia. Boom boom. You don't know. You don't know.
He answered.
I don't know. Jacket. Men's not hot. Men's not hot. Take off the jacket. Men's not hot. Yeah.
Look at your cup. Why your cup empty? Jayla, your cup
it
is
won't
empty.
be for long.
Miss Jayla, your cup is empty.
But y'all know how
That's your new damn name,
JK, I am not joking.
Miss Jayla.
JK, I am not joking.
JK, I am not joking.
Estamos open, yo. Como se dice, yo. Como se dice.
They know I don't need no more. You know I don't need no more right now. I'm already borderline.
Means you are going.
They trying to really make me not remember tonight. I wanna.
Have it taped. It doesn't matter.
I wanna look at everybody that's dressed up in Pizza Zoo. If I don't remember Pizza Zoo,
You gonna push your camera? She said in case I don't remember, I need it on video. You with the Danger Ranger.
Dangerous.
okay, but
Danger.
if I get separated,
Danger. Hold on.
talk about
Get on the floor. You live right here. Say it.
Teletubby.
he's on that over there.
I'm gonna be a dinosaur.
Yeah.
Oh no, he's smart.
They peed in the car, outside the car 2 times. He giving us a.
You can just get out right here.
You right here?
Yes.
When they turn, they got the head.
Get out on Diana's way.
On her way.
I got hand sanitizer all over myself. Day. Hold on, I got that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Doctor. Give us great ratings. Thanks. Have a good weekend.
Enjoy. Hey.
Oh yeah, you take it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh, they hear you.
Late night, early mornings. I'm at the Met Stadium because I was invited out to watch the Jets and Atlanta Falcons play. So we're going to be taking on an experience. I don't know, we get like behind the scenes, pre-game. I don't know football, y'all, but I don't even know what to say because I don't know. But yeah, we had to be here at 11. We get to see the players warm up, like all of that. So yeah, let's go. Just to let you guys know, this rain not making me happy. Not making my hair happy. We're in, got our credentials, black bag. Oh, where everybody go? Up here. This rain picking up. Yeah. And we can't open the umbrella. Oh, look at him. Woo! Alright, so this is the green room. They have like a bar here, TV. Okay.
Yeah. Jumbo suite. You guys come hang out here for a minute.
Okay, so yeah, the green room is like a jumbo suite. It's raining, so it sucks, but this is what the stadium looks like.
What do you see? fitness room.
They working out. Virtual reality tour. You feel like you're right there?
Yeah, I'm practicing with the players.
You practicing with the Oh my gosh, the rain.
Oh, me and his friend.
Yeah, I'm like trying to find stuff. We have a shiny thing to go upstairs. Wow, look at our suite.
I don't know about y'all.
Look at our suite. Alright guys, so this is our suite that we're in for the game. Have some food, finger food over here.
It's lit.
Ready for it. So yeah, I'm starving.
Be the guy. They're gonna bring out orange. And actually the chef comes in.
Oh, the
Fry roll,
chef.
honey aioli on both sides. Thick sliced sweet pickles, apple cider slaw, which has a sweet flavor profile to kind of balance out the heat for our guy over here.
That's spicy. That's good. This is a good sandwich.
Multiple locations throughout the building, been really a runaway success. Then the meatballs, because they're just a great best-selling item. Beef, pork, and veal, all hand-rolled in the house with Sunday gravy. Then the Greater Mac concept, mac and cheese mix-ins with different flavor profiles. So everything from a vegetarian with a Mexican flavor profile to a meat lovers. Then sweet treats. Yeah, they were in the other one. So our empanadas last year were so successful, but empanadas, we kind of took the empanada and said, all right, traditional empanada filling's great, but what other non-traditional ones can we do? So this location called Global Pies.
Alright guys, I'm leaving the suite. Halftime is over, but it's cold and I don't know, I'm tired from last night, so we're leaving. But it was really great. Did you ask? Yeah. Oh, we know where we're going? It's raining outside. I got rains on. My sweater's still a little wet, but really great experience. Yeah, the game's still on.
Yeah, that's the elevator to the plaza. And then she said, ask somebody to take you to where the Uber is.
Okay. So, yeah, I'm so excited to watch Stranger Things. Okay. Plaza level? So excited to watch Stranger Things and be warm.
You just never miss the game, no matter which way you're going.
I know, the game is everywhere.
It's invincible, and that's great.
We need to put back on our ponchos. Like, it's a mess outside. A mess.
And they're
Right, and we are in the suite, but it is cold.
we're in the building. They're just not even open, but we got so much exposure to the rain and the wind. So imagine how they feel out there right now. Like, it's crazy. I would have went home.
Right, and it was pouring down raining. You couldn't have paid me to sit out there.
Oh, yeah, I think we're definitely gonna have to put on our poncho.
This is wind. Not okay. It is so cold, so rainy.
We got the white macadamia.
Oh, a cookie. I've been wanting a cookie.
Do you have any white chocolate?
Oh no. Okay. Oh, thank you. I wouldn't be sitting in my seat either. I'm gonna have to get the VIP pass every time because it's a no. Y'all. I don't even want to leave because it's the rain crazy. It's giving wait till it's up. Okay. Y'all remember what color my boots were? This is soaked.
From the beginning, if they don't block the entrance, that would be very easy. Then they always block the entrance.
Yeah, even us getting
we're
in
not
here.
from the area. I'm not from the area.
Oh, you're not?
I'm not. So I got, because this is the way Uber works. They give me a service because I'm working.
So guys, that's a wrap for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I was kind of all over the place. I went to a Halloween party with my friends. Then I got invited out to watch the Jets game and my friend Day came. Everybody's gone now, back to my regular schedule. It's the last day in October, so tomorrow is November. It flew by. If you're going out tonight for Halloween, be safe and I will see you guys in November. Bye guys.